Good morning guys! 11 na ng umaga, magti-12 na, 11:39. And kakapump ko lang, kakatapos ko lang mag-pump. Tadan! Punong-puno kasi mga ano na yan, magpo 4 hours na hindi ako nakapump. Si Kai tulog dito sa bed namin. Just gonna put it sa breast storage. 180. Where are you going, Daddy? Saka? And then later? And then you're going somewhere later?
Exos.
Oh, what time?
I don't know, maybe 5.
Oh, in the...
They already start 1.
What do they have there?
The
Okay.
pool party.
Huh?
Pool party. All the pool boys.
Are they playing?
Yeah, some of them play. They have, but they only have one table. So it's only like, yeah. So most of us are just
In his
just
house.
eating. Yeah. I invite you guys as well, but I told them you come with the baby. And it's all boys then. Maybe their wives and all that will be there, but I don't know. They will start one.
Oh, diba? Ang dami, guys. Is that 180? 150? 180 ata. 150 ito. Then, ito yung gusto kong breast milk storage bag. Kasi very, ano siya, basta very nice siya i-close. Hindi siya sturdy. Katulad nung isa, super, very hard. So, mabilis lang siya i-close. Ayan. Mainit-init pa, guys. Freshly pumped. Ayan. So, si Mia, nasa baba siya. Kakagaling lang nila sa, kanina, ballet. Kasi may ballet siya today, Saturday. And, si Daddy yung sumama na naman sa kanya. Kasi nga, we have baby Kai. Ayan, tulog siya dyan, guys. Cute. Napaka-cute. Nakalabas na yung kamay. Where's your dummy at? His dummy ate? Where is his dummy ate? Okay, mama. Mama! Huh? It doesn't still know me, Mia. He still doesn't know the toys, like how to play with it. So, yeah.
He can just look at it. He can
He's hungry, I guess. Huh? He's hungry. Mama's didi is still not enough for you, I think. So you might need the bottle.
Mommy, show kindness.
Because Mommy
Mommy, show kindness.
Look, what's this? What's this? What is this, my love? What is this? Look.
I got some more.
Oh, it doesn't make a sound. A ducky. He doesn't know about it, ate.
Yeah.
Let's just give him the dummy. Are you hungry, my love? Should we sing open shut them? Ready? Sing. Open shut them, open shut them.
Mommy,
Give a
how will you
little
play something when you're holding cards?
clap.
How will you can be the mommy and I'm gonna be the baby? And pretend you brought all this.
Grab your clips. Ate, can you go grab your clips? So I can see your eyes?
It's okay, mommy. It's okay.
Because it's covering your eyes.
Mommy,
Open,
Pretend-
shut
mommy,
them. Open.
pretend I'm the baby, and then you brought all this ducks for me and just said, "Sweetie,
Hmm?
look, mommy bought you some duckies. Wait, you can play with in the bath."
Hi.
Huh? What
Hi,
is it?
duckies.
What is it, mommy?
Look, we have duckies playing in the bath with us. Yeah? Kai, is that right? Can you see mommy's lashes? Look. Mommy did it by myself. I did it by myself, my love. Can you see my lashes? Oh, mommy did it. Mommy did it. I did it, my love.
Mommy,
I did it, my love.
Mommy,
Yes, Ate.
and pretend you said, "Baby, it's time to sleep." And pretend I said, "Mom." Pretend you said, "Why do you don't want to sleep?" And then
Let's go sleep.
pretend I
baby.
said, "I don't feel well, mommy."
Mm. Come on, baby. Let's go sleep.
I don't want to.
Why? What is wrong?
Because I don't feel well.
Oh no, you need a medicine to get better?
Okay.
Okay.
Let me just get my duckies to sleep. Martin, I caught some duckies to help me in the river.
Okay. Should I feed you my boobs, guys?
Mommy,
I don't know.
Mommy, I
Oh.
just can go get some duckies to help me in the river.
Okay.
Cat. Mommy, look. I got some real duckies. Hi, this is my mommy, baby.
Duckies. Need to change your nappy,
They're
boy.
baby duckies, mommy. Mommy, look, they're baby duckies.
Change your nappy first.
Mommy, they're baby duckies.
Oh, gross.
They're baby duckies.
They're a baby duckies, boy. Hala, we
Now
need
to see the
more.
baby.
We need more nappy.
Mm. They're so cute. They kiss Kai Kai. Wee. Wee.
Should we actually get Wiki
Wee.
to get more nappy
Wee,
for
wee,
us?
wee, wee. Guys, Mommy, can you just watch the baby duckies? I'll go make
Sure.
a secret room for them.
Yeah, sure.
Secret room would be pretty.
Can you get the milk for me when it's
Can
ready,
you see the
Ate?
Pretty good room.
Ate, I need that. I need this. Kaka gonna do this soon.
Hey, Mommy.
Can you get the other one for you? This one's safe for Kai Kai. Thank you, Ate.
This will be a big secret room. I need this too.
Oh, it's ready, Ate. Can you get it for Kai Kai?
Oh no, I'm busy making a secret
Ay,
room.
naku. That's okay, Mommy did it. Ate is busy.
Hi, baby ducky. It's
For the
so
baby
big.
ducky.
Where's the door? It's right here. Yay, we can go, guys. Yeah, let's go.
Did it? Okay, Mommy did it for you.
Oopsies, I forgot to draw something for Mommy.
Oh, no, yes. You need to draw now so later it's ready.
Mommy, I'll just put the duckies in. Just go in, guys. Yay, I'm gonna jump in there. No, this sleeping jump. Oh, sleeping jump.
Ay, hello, my baby. Hello, my
I'll
baby
sleep
boy.
with you.
Where's the bib,
I'll close the
Ate?
door.
Have you
I'll
seen
close-
the bib, Ate?
No.
Oh, no. Where's the bib?
Mommy, if I say no, then you have to say thank you.
Huh?
If I say no, you have to say thank you.
Why?
Because that's how you do that.
Okay. Thank you, ate.
Mommy, so the baby downstairs sleeping, so can you be quiet?
Okay.
Pat, you can be loud because the baby downstairs is sleeping. Because Pat can be loud.
Today, day for my kay lang. Time to day for my kay lang. Didi naman ikaw kay. Hindi mo na. Also, I'm feeding Kai sa bottle. Tadaan! Hello, people! Hello! Can you see? Nagsa-side eye siya. Tinitingnan niya din kayo. Anyway, I did my lashes today. Yung cluster lashes. I tried it kung kaya ko siya gawin na. Nakaya ko naman siya, guys. And, in fairness sa kanya, mas madali lang siya gawin. So, ayun. If magustuhan ko siya, if magstay to, like, maybe for a week or 2 weeks, then, I might be just, doing it by myself na lang. Instead of going to the lashes, lady, diba? So, yan. Medyo, yung pagtalagay ko dito sa kabila. Or, kasi hindi even yung mata ko. Hindi kasi sila the same, guys, yung mata ko. Yung isa monolid, yung isa double eyelid. So, ayan siya. That's what it looks like. And yeah, nabili ko lang din yung cluster lashes ko sa guys, Amazon. Ayun. So, and yeah, tinay ko siya. Inspired by Ate Reyes. Kasi siya lang din na gumagawa ng lashes niya ngayon. And sabi niya easy lang din daw pag nasanay ka na. And nagawa ko din siya. Akala ko it's hard. But yeah. Unang-una ko siyang tinay, hindi ko siya nagustuhan. And then, sabi ko, I'll try again. And ayoko mag-give up. So, nung tinay ko second time today, sabi ko, oh yeah, parang okay naman. So, mabilis ko lang siya nagawa. I think, siguro 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Dalawang mata. Hindi ko alam kung bakit lagi nagbi-beep yung yung fridge na to, guys. Yung meron ako dito sa room. Bagong fridge ko yan. Binili ko lang siya sa Amazon. And, okay naman siya. Nag-work siya. Yung problema ko lang dito, nag-a-adjust yung temperature niya. Hindi siya nag-stay. Example, sinet ko siya ng 5 degrees Celsius. Hindi siya nag-stay sa 5 degrees, guys. Umaangat siya depende sa room temperature ng room mo. So, example, mainit dito sa room pag hapon. Umaangat din yung temperature ng fridge na to. So, umaangat siya ng 6 degrees, 7 degrees. So, yun yung problema ko sa fridge na to. Pero, it works well naman. So, yun lang yung problema ko. Yung temperature niya, nag-a-adjust siya. And tapos, nagbi-beep din siya ng sarili niya. Di ko alam bakit nagbi-beep. So, mas malaki siya compare dun sa old ko na fridge. Yung old ko na fridge, nasira yung door. So, hindi ko siya ma-close. Kaya, bumili ako ng bago. And, yun, naghanap ako sa Amazon. And this is what I found. Okay naman siya. Yun lang, the temperature, guys. And meron siyang different setting. Pwede siya sa milk, pwede siya sa fruits, pwede siya sa drinks. And, yeah, malaki-laki siya. Spacious yung loob niya. Doon, my love. Over there on my table, vanity table. Good to, mang baby ko. So, today is my mom's birthday. Hey, happy birthday, mama. You are getting old. Charot. So, yeah, it's my mom's birthday today. And, later...
Actually, I can make Mom wear bracelet.
Mamila, okay. Where's your bracelet? You remember you had a box of bracelet to make? I think it's in your playroom somewhere.
But it's all finished. It's all sorted out.
Oh, is it? Okay. Yeah, you can make the paper one that you were making. Yeah?
It's very pretty.
It's very pretty. Yeah. Mama, gawa daw siya ng bracelet for Mamila. Yung bracelet na yun is gawa made of paper. Paper, guys. Yun yung ginagawa niya sa amin. Binibigyan niya ako bracelet, pero paper. Tapos ginagawa niya ng sing-sing si Kai. Cute-cute ng bracelet niya. Ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hindi ko alam. I think napakita ko sa previous vlog ko. But yeah. I was talking about, na yun. Ayun. So, we're just gonna go out for dinner mamaya. And yeah, it's gonna be in the city. And for sure, it's gonna be traffic again. Kasi sa city yun. Doon kami sa usual favorite restaurant namin. Thai restaurant. And gagala na naman si Kai Kai. Sa city. It's gonna be your second time sa city. But this time with Lolo and Lola. Yeah? hindi makakasama si V kasi meron na siyang, may laro siya mamaya dun sa Filipino, nakasama niya din na player. So, nagpa-oo na siya. Ako na lang yung magdadrive papuntang city, guys. Ako ang magdadrive papuntang city. Guys, dumating yung nag-check ng washing machine namin. Ang sabi niya yung pump daw ng washing machine is blocked. So, what are we gonna do, Kai? Well, ipapifix namin siya. Kaya lang, yung kailangan pa niya orderin yung parts and it's gonna be next week. So, hindi kami makakapag-wash ng aming damit, guys. So, we're planning to wash it sa bahay ng parents ko bukas or mamayang gabi. Oh my goodness. Baya. Ewan ko na lang. Itong batang to, dede pa din siya. Patulog na siya, guys. Nakahawak siya sa kamay ko. Ang cute-cute. Ang cute-cute. Nakahawak sa kamay ko. Ubus na yung nito. Tawag dito, sleeping bag. Kaya kagabi, binalot ko na lang siya. Ay. Yeah, ubus na. Kay sleeping bag. Tapos paliit na din yung sleeping bag niya, guys. Kasi palaki na siya na palaki. Hindi niya nakahawak siya. Ay. Kahawak yan kay mami. Tapos na. Ubus niya na. Tutulog na yan. Sige, tulog na ikaw. Diyan ka na. Shh, 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 shh. Ito yung white noise niya. Ako ay naka-ready na. Nagpa-pump lang ako ngayon. And kailangan namin umalis ng 6:30. It's now 6:21. So, 4 minutes na lang natira sa pump ko. And then, si Kai bihisan. And ayun. Punta na tayo sa bahay ng parents ko kasi sabay kami aalis. Pero different car. So, pumunta pala ako sa bahay ng parents ko, guys. Doon muna kami magwa-washing ng clothes kasi hindi pa nga kami pwede mag-wash dito kasi next week pa darating yung parts para sa washing machine, yung pump daw. So, next week pa yun. So, yeah, ang dami na naming maduming damit. Si Mia nandito lang, ready na siya. Kasi kaya na lang talaga. Gusto ko siya i-feed before kami umalis para happy siya sa car. Diba, Koy? Kasi 6:30 daw alis na kami. Kaya pa yan. 7:30 naman yung booking sa restaurant. So, we're just gonna be there at 7. Or at least before mag 7:30. Kasi maghahanap pa kami ng parking, guys. Dito na kami, guys. Mga food nandito na din. Yung iba wala pa. We have the fried chicken for Mia. Makain na siya, oh. Kai is here. Where's Kai? Gising na siya, guys. Tingnan niyo. And we have mango tango for the drink. Satay chicken and ano yun? Mushroom. Ano yan? Mushroom. Fried mushroom. Ayan o. Crispy mushroom. Named. Sige na. You like it. Steam rice. Mia, you like it? Yeah? Hey, naku nga man ang sausaw mo.
Kasi malagbong yung...
Be careful with this. Are you sitting properly?
It's this ketchup.
Ah, yeah. Another ketchup. Plain rice lang. chicken alag.
May tinidor daw na yung extra.
Naulam ako gagamit din. Mapundo lang na tayo. Mapundo lang na kalay.
Very ba yung crispy?
Last time na iba ito, in-order mo nang wala ito yung kalayo.
Joy. Kaya lang magsunod ako.
Ang dami namin in-order. Yes. What is that one? Ano nasa? Tom yum. Ayaw gali na tom yum. Yeah, that's it.
Wait, I'll take a video.
Hello?
Gising na siya. Ay, umiiyak na. Ay, don't cry. Mama's here. We're finished. Tapos na kami, guys. Take away, guys, kasi ang daming natira. And Kai is already there. Kai. And the princess. Ready na siya. Ako na pa. Dali, let's go. Wala na din tao. Punta tayo time zone kasi ang bata. Ayan ang bata, oh. Gusto mag time zone, guys. Si mama. Time zone. Tagal na ni Mia hindi nag-time zone, Si Kai iyak na ng iyak. There, time zone. Hindi naman kita. I have to feed Kai, okay? So you play with Tita Pretty and Tito Jadlan. Time zone. Ay, mano close na? Naman sarado na, Nay. Ang buta? Ano pa ba lang, Nay? Kaibigan na kapangita pa sa Didi.
Didi si Tito.
Or sa Didi? No, Didi si Tito? Or sa Didi lang? Kai. Oh. Mia, be careful with your hair, okay? Show me the candies. Show me the candy. May candy na siya. Tara na. Hi, Kai. Hindi mo naubos yung milk? Hindi niya naubos ang milk, eh. Ang lamig-lamig kasi ng milk. Tara na. Sa ER4. Ang gani. Mag-pick ka lang da karon. Ano yun na eh? 3 bas, 4 man tabi.
Traffic ka, lindri nga tayo doon. Hindi ka magi.
Hindi mo na traffic.
Pwede ka pan ato ka pa more. Hindi ka speaking ka. May parking ang dakisam.
Uwi na tayo, guys. We played sila lang nag-play sa time zone. And I feed Kai habang naglalaro sila kasi time na to feed Kai. Kai, ano, awake?
Yeah.
Yun lang naman yung last stop namin, time zone. Kasi yung isa gusto mag-time zone. Alam niya na kasi kung nasaan ang time zone. No? You know where's time zone, Mia?
Alam niyo na yung city may time zone.
Time zone is here.
Yeah, you know where's time zone?
Yeah.
Yung. Alam niya na kasi lagi siya nandito. Pero it's been a long time, no?
Mommy,
Huh?
I was just think I'll put top of it.
Okay, go ahead.
Oh, Kai. Better a Give it to baby Kai. Kailangan niya give it to baby Kai. Give it to baby Kai. Can you give it to baby Kai, please? Kai, sir. I'm gonna. Mia, where's the dummy?
I don't see his face.
You can't see his face. Can you see him now? Is he taking his dummy? Can you see him now?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's good. Umiiyak ng kapatid niya, guys. Oh no. Put it in his mouth. It's okay, Kai Kai. It's okay, my love. Hello, people. We are home. Pinakontinue ko, padede si Kai. Kasi naudlot man, no? Naudlot man sa time zone, no? Nakauwi na kami, tapos kinuha ko na lang yung winash ko sa bahay ng parents ko kanina na close. Hinang siya ng kapatid ko sa labas. So, madami pa dun na iwan, guys, na iwawash bukas. Kaya lang magwa-washing din si na mama. So, I don't know kailan yun ma-wash. My phone, babe.